Hi, my name is Paula and I'm the Chief Operating Officer at the Association for Mental Health and Wellness. I want to talk a little bit about our experience this past year with COVID-19. One of the things we experienced was having a great deal of difficulty assisting the people we serve in getting access to the vaccine. I was able to make arrangements with Pilgrim Psychiatric Center to operate 2 pop-up clinics at our Ronkonkoma site and our Riverhead site. And we did that in April and May of 2021. We were able to get vaccinated 172 people. Some of those individuals were the people we served, some were staff members, others were people from the community who were qualified to receive the vaccine. And I have to say that's one of the best things I've ever done here at the organization. One of the things I'm most proud of in helping people to get vaccinated and to be safe.